Charlie?
Uh-oh.
Charlie, did we go to the zoo today? Did you see the lion?
Yeah.
What noise does it make?
Yeah.
Did you see the elephant?
Uh,
What noise does that make?
Pig.
What noise does the elephant make?
Pig.
What noise does a pig make? And did you see... What else did you see there?
Dance.
Did you see the monkey?
Monkey.
What noise does a monkey make? What else did you see? Did you see any puppies there?
Puppy.
What noise does the puppy make?
Oh. No.
How about the sheep? Did you see a sheep?
Yes.
Sheep?
Yeah.
What noise did the sheep make? What noise did the sheep make?
Yeah. Yeah.
Meh. Did you see a birdie?
Baby.
What noise did the birdie make?
Sheep.
And what noise does the elephant make?
Oh.
Do you see any cows?
No cow.
What noise did the cow make?
Me.
How about a rooster? Did you see a rooster? What noise does a rooster make?
No. No.
What noise does a rooster make? And the monkey? Did you see the monkey? What noise did the monkey make? There's a monkey in the tree. Where's the spider?
Yeah.
Where does the spider hang out?
Yeah.
Charlie? Where does the spider hang out?
It's raining.
On the roof. Is that where the spider hangs out? How about the cat?
No. The roof.
The cat's on the roof too. How about the froggy? Where's the froggy?
Garden.
In the garden. What noise does the froggy make?
Rip. It's puppy.
With the puppy?
Train.
Oh, Poppy. Where do you go with Poppy?
Train.
The trains.
Puppy.
Poppy, yeah.